Welcome to your first tutorial in Figma. So after you successfully sign up or created your account, when you log into your account, you see this interface. Because I already have some design that is what you're seeing here, it might be only this, and that you see. So now you're going to click on this new design file to open your Figma project. So in this tutorial, we're going to explain some tools and features that are in Figma. So let's click here to get started. So for the first time when you open your Figma project, you're going to have this. Now we'll start from the left panel. By the top left side here, you see on title. So this is where you write the project, the name of your project. Let's assume for this project you want to design an app or a website. So you're going to name this using that particular project. So let's say this is for, consultancy website. So you just put it like this and rename the project. So this is the first thing to do. You name your project. Now here we have files. This is where you see all the files of your design. We have assets. This is where you navigate to see the components and other assets you created. So here we have plus sign to add pages. So in each project, you can have as many pages as possible. Let's say you want to have a separate page that have home page, then another page where you want to design about us, and then another page you want to design about services and all that. So that is all about this. Each and every page can have different content. So in page 1 here, let's see here we name it as home page. We'll go to page 2 and rename it as about us. So each page now can have different content. So that's all about the left panel. And here you can also use the search tool to search for your project and all that. Then coming to the bottom section here, we have different tools, right? We have the move tool, and we have a simple small drop down here. When you click on that drop down, you can see we have hand tool, scale tool. We're going to see how to make use of all these tools. Then come to the frame section. We have the first one as frame. We have the section and we have the slice. Then the third one, that is where you can, explore more shapes, rectangle, line, arrow, eclipse, ellipse, polygon, star, and all that. Then we have the pen and pencil tool. Then we also have the text tool and the comment tools. Now, when you click on more, here you're going to explore more options for the tools available. So you can click here to show the ruler, come back here again, uncheck the box to hide the ruler. So these are the features on this section. Now, coming to the right panel of the page, we have about 3 different menus. We have the design menu, the prototype, and the preview or share. Now, coming to the design menu here, at the page, you can also modify the color of your page, whatever you want it to be. I love black so much, so most of my screens are always dark, so you can modify based on the color you want from here. So that's it. We have local variables. We don't have any yet. We have local style. We have not created any export and order. So most of the features here are not yet available until when we start bringing in tools. So this is all about Figma interface. And lastly, if you go back to your files, we also have what is called the community down here. So from the community, you can search for any Figma plugins or tools you want here and install them into your design system. So this is all about Figma project. This is all about Figma interface. In the next video, we're going to explore more features and more tutorials.